How to fix USB Type-C earphone not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix the problem like USB Type-C earphone are not working on your iPhone 15. So let's get started. First, as you have to just check if your iPhone are MFI certified, which means made for iPhone. Simply you can look on label of box or back of earphone. Step 2. You can clean your USB-C port. Simply you can use the soft brush or cloth to clean the USB port of your iPhone. After that, you can simply restart your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. From general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on shutdown. After you shut down your iPhone and turn it on again, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing this problem, you'll have to just plug in different USB, earphone or charger to check if the port work on your iPhone or not. If they are not working, it might be a hardware issue and you can simply repair it. After that, you can simply fix that problem. At last, you can also reset all settings. For that, from the general, at the bottom, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset, and from here tap on reset all settings. After you tap on that, it will reset Bluetooth, accessory and sound settings. After that, you will be able to fix that problem. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.